Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps and the Princess Academy. We are so happy to have you. We will be making 6 soaps this month inspired by fictitious princesses. Today we're going to be doing Princess Peach. You know, if I did Princess Daisy, I was gonna have to do Princess Peach. You can't do one without the other. Peach is my personal favorite princess. She is just so iconic. I love her flowy dress. I love that she has a parasol on the back of her Mario Kart. I hope you guys enjoy the soap, and yeah, let's go ahead and make it. The base of our soap is going to be super simple to the Princess Daisy soap. So I'm going to go ahead and pour our lye water solution in. And now I'm going to blend that on high until just past emulsion. Everything looks awesome. So now I'm going to pour off my white layer. That's supposed to sort of represent her gloves. Just pour right into this little pitcher, and I'm going to be using my KD 7000 scale. You can get that at Wholesale Supplies Plus or on Amazon. Then I'm just going to set this off to the side, and I'm going to split the rest of the batter in half. I only blended my batter for like 20 seconds or so, so it's at an applesauce consistency right now. I would never want to pour it into the mold when it has this texture, but it's gonna be just fine since I have 2 other things to blend in. I'm essentially just not done with my blending. All right, I'm gonna set one of these off to the side, and then we're gonna start with our first layer. So into here, I'm adding Tickled Pink, nothing else. This is from Mad Micas. And then I'm going to add a portion of our fragrance oil. So the fragrance I'm using today is Peach Bellini. I, of course, had to use a peach fragrance. Gonna pour in just a little bit. Perfect. And now I'm going to blend this up. Alrighty, and now I am going to wipe off my stick blender because the next layer needs to be a bright white and I don't want it tinted pink. And now a quick word from the sponsor of today's video, HelloFresh. I got a husband, I got a business, I'm homeschooling, like I got a lot to do. HelloFresh is always there to save the day for me when it comes to supper time. The recipes are step-by-step, super easy. You don't have to be good at cooking, okay? Because admittedly, I'm not. And all of the ingredients are like pre-portioned, so it kind of cuts back on waste and your prep time as well. HelloFresh has 50 weekly meal options, so you're never gonna get bored. What I'm basically saying is that I can't do without them. On those nights where you're just kind of exhausted around 6 p.m., HelloFresh just saves the day. So go to HelloFresh.com and use the code ROYALTYSOAP16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Once again, go on over to HelloFresh.com, use the code ROYALTYSOAP16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Thanks so much, HelloFresh, for sponsoring Royalty Soaps, and let's continue with our video. And now I'll pour this pink into my 2 Brambleberry molds. This is the size we use for all of our frosted soaps. It's a great size for that. I know a lot of people who also like to use the purple Amazon mold for their frosted soap, so both of those are great options if you want to try it out. I did blend this a little more than I normally do because I want it to thicken up nice and firm before I pour the white. Alrighty, that looks perfect. All right, I have my white ready to go, and so very gently, I'm just gonna pour a thin layer onto the top of this soap, just like this. Perfect. I feel so much better about this one now that I've made the Daisy soap. Alrighty, we have all that white layer on. It's setting up pretty quick, which, you know, I always prefer because that means I can move along. All right, time to pour the pink. I realize I just started and literally didn't say a peep. I'm sorry, I was just mesmerized by this color. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to put the frosting on this. So let me go ahead and mix it up, get my piping set ready. Yeah, okay. I don't know why I'm running around like a chicken with my head cut off, like I haven't done this 10,000 times. All right, guys, I have our gorgeous yellow soap loaded up in my Royalty Soaps Soap Frosting Club Kit piping bag with the 𝐈𝑧𝐬𝐿 869 coupler. I'm gonna do a 3-2-1 on this soap, though a lot less on top because I do have a crown to put on there just like Daisy. All right, we have everything all piped up and ready to go. Where's my glitter? Here we go. Some gold stardust from the Good Glitter. You can use the code ROYALTY for 15% off your first order. They are all eco-friendly, plastic-free, biodegradable glitter. And last I checked their Instagram, they're about to release a new hollow glitter. Literally couldn't be more excited about that. It's gonna be great. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this gold stardust to the top. And now time to add our gold glitter crowns. They have been dusted in an absolutely gorgeous glitter from Mad Micah's. It's called Sparkle Sunshine if you would like to get your hands on it. You know what? I better put the crown in this way first so I don't forget. This is literally so sparkly and I love the yellow. I thought it might end up being too fluorescent, but as this sits, I think it's gonna mellow out to be the perfect like cartoony yellow color. This whole collection has just given me all the warm and fuzzies, but I feel like we're definitely going to need a part 2. I saw so many people down in the comment section of the Tiana video telling me, Katie, what about this princess? And I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even think about them. All right, I've wiped as much gold dust as I could off of my fingers. And now it's time to add Peach's little earrings. Look at the color on these. Now, Shelly and I, excuse me. As I was saying, Shelly and I tried so many different blues. Okay, we probably went through 20 of them just trying to find the perfect peach earring blue. We had so many reference photos. We did so many different types. This is a custom mix that Shelly did. I don't even know what she did. At this point, she has some like secret recipes even I don't know about, but I think it has some blue tide in there. I'm also pretty sure it has some blue chakra in there. And I think we used a white base, like a white melt and pour, but I'm not 100% sure. But I can tell you it is the absolute closest thing to the earring color that we could possibly get. It occurs to me as I'm doing this, I am probably not the first person who's made a Princess Peach and a Daisy soap. The Mario Kart and Mario Nintendo community is enormous. Here's one person I have to shout out though. It's unrelated to Peach, but I just have to say, a huge congratulations to Joanna Couch. She is the Soap Gal on TikTok and Instagram. She is, I mean, you can't say enough good things. She's so helpful. She leaves such a positive impression on everybody who watches her videos and her TikToks and Instagram. She's about to open up a soap boutique in Arizona. If you're in the Arizona area where she lives, you should definitely go check it out because her stuff is such high quality and it's so amazing that she gets to open a storefront. Woohoo! That being said, ma'am, we're done. I cannot, okay, this one I have to show you up close. I absolutely cannot even. This just screams Princess Peach. I'm glad this worked out in real life. Sometimes I have things in my head that I'm like, oh, it looks so good. And it looks so good on a piece of paper. And then I make the soap and I'm like, underwhelmed. But this is not one of them. We will be back in 18 to 24 hours to cut these bars and take a look at the inside after this quick commercial break. Look at that yellow the next day. That really really is a cartoon yellow. I am so excited. These colors turned out exactly the way I wanted them to, which is so nice after having such a disaster with the Daisy soap. Just gonna lift that out. Look at the vibrancy. What a mood. I'm just gonna turn this on its side, line it up with my cutter here. That was pretty good placement initially, and press down gently. I'm gonna move us up a little bit and pull one out. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So we have Daisy's little crown, her little earrings, you have the two-toned pink. I'm in love. This is just one of those designs that worked out. The end piece on these are going to be so spectacular. Yeah, here's the other end piece. And let me tell you, the smell, incredible. It smells like the peachiest like fruit drink. It's delicious. Now, I also know that there is another princess, like there's Princess Peach, Princess Daisy, and then there's another one. And I don't know why she's not better known, but she wasn't in the games that I played. My sisters were telling me about her. They're like, there's one more, but I never played any games with her in it. So that's why she's not included in the series. It's not because I didn't like her. It was just that there were only Peach and Daisy in the games that I played. So sorry for all the lovers of that third princess in this type of series. I never played any games with her. Also, if you play Super Smash Brothers, I don't know if it's the Melee one. I think it is. I think it's the Melee Super Smash Brothers. Princess Peach uses, for her weapon of choice, a frying pan, which, Tangled vibes? I don't know. You tell me. All right, question of the day. Which of the three princesses, Princess Daisy, Princess Peach, or the other one I can't remember the name of? I feel like her name starts with an M, or maybe an A? I don't know. Which of those three is your favorite? Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Both the Princess Peach soap and the Princess Daisy soap will be available on the first Saturday of May with the rest of the Royal Princess Academy. So, I'm so excited for this launch. I can't even tell you. I also wanted to mention we're relaunching our candles. That's right, they are coming back. For those of y'all who've been asking for, I mean, honestly, years at this point. We had planned to relaunch them in 2020, but that didn't happen for perhaps obvious reasons. We are now able to launch them, however, so if you want to get them, they'll be launching in May. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, like eating a peach. Not Princess Peach, just a peach. Or maybe looking up the backstory behind Princess Peach and Mario. I haven't done that, but I feel like there's going to be some good lore there. I don't really care what you do, just be sure you do something for you, and I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, bye for now. Meow.